Thanks.
You can use one of the five.
Get back here, Paul. But yeah, we got to see about
Come here, boy. Get away from there.
he wants out there in the pool. I know.
No, I'm waiting for his mom to give me the okay to take him out there. No, no, no. No, no, no. When can I put him in his suit?
Right now, if you go get him in the back of the vehicle,
Okay.
along with his flotation device. And a suit and flotation devices for Brian. Hold on, buddy.
Look at Tristan go.
Would make too much sense, man.
He wants outside.
You got something,
Hey.
Mike?